Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. In this lecture, we will see representation of two-dimensional array in memory. As we know, two-dimensional array is defined as an array of arrays and is denoted in tabular form or in matrices. But computer's memory is one-dimensional linear structure. So, to store all the elements of two-dimensional array inside memory, the two-dimensional array is mapped into one-dimensional array. There are two methods with the help of which the data of two-dimensional array can be stored into one-dimensional memory structure. First one is row measure representation, second one is column measure. Now, in this lecture, we will see row measure representation only. In row measure memory representation, first of all, first row get mapped into memory, then after second row, then after third row, and so on up to last row. For example, here in this two-dimensional array, 2 is the first element of first row, so it get mapped here. Now the second element of first row is 3, so it get mapped after 2. Then third element of first row is 5 and it get mapped after 2 and 3, and 7 get mapped after 5 and 11 get mapped after 7. When the first row is finished, then the second line starts getting mapped into memory. For example, here 13 is the second element of the first element of second row, and it get mapped after when the first row is finished. So 13 get mapped here, then 17 get mapped after 13, and 19 get mapped after 17, and when the second row is finished, then third row starts getting mapped into memory. And